So here you can see I have the cinnamon jumper and I've got my pumpkin design template. I've added on some daisy flowers at the top, some roses at the bottom, and I've even added on a heart design. I've gone ahead and found the centre point of my jumper using a needle as a marker. Now I'm ready to place my template. You'll notice that I've lined up the centre marker of my template with my needle. I'm going to peel it off and I'm going to line it up and place it down roughly where I want it to be. I've gone ahead and chosen my wool colours, and I've started to put my colour onto my template so I can see visually where I want the colour to go. This design is made up of chain stitch around the outside of the pumpkin, a woven rose stitch for the roses, and a lazy daisy stitch for the daisies. I'll also be adding in back stitch and whip stitch in the design.